I got me a shark too.
Huh?
I got me a shark too.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, maybe not. No, it's about the same size. Same kind.
Is it?
Yep. See there? Oh! I just prayed that God would let me catch one. Gosh, things are tough.
Yep. Yeah, that one's fighting more than mine was. It's a fighting booger there, dude. Do you have squid on it, too?
Yeah. Just trolling it.
Sweet.
Bam, they said, "Meow." I was wondering when it was going to stop. See back there, well, you'll see in a second. See the back fin has like a...
Ooh, dude, you're holding my face.
Yeah, that thing is going crazy.
Nice. That might be a little bigger than mine, dude. What you want to do?
Gonna let him go. Right after I